How's everybody doing today? So I was talking about my helmet here and this thing, GoPro, how to set it up. A lot of people have been asking. This is the Hero 4 Silver Edition. The reason why I use the old one is it's a very good reason actually. It's because of the fact that the new one requires an adapter. Like it's a pretty thick adapter. As you can see, there's a lot going on with the helmet already. But then you have to install the adapter onto the side, and you're afraid there's another part onto the helmet that might fail. But if it does not, which is great. But I just went for the old one. All you need is a good mic running through the helmet, and this whole Shazam right here, this whole setup. So basically, what it is if I could remove everything for you, let me show you guys from the beginning. If it does come off, it's been a while. There it goes. Alright, so there's a sticky pad. As you guys can see, this is the sticky pad that comes with the GoPro. And if you don't have it, say you brought a used one or whatever, you could always go to Best Buy and get these. They're like 20 bucks, $29, or I think $19.99, one of those prices. This one is a bit, they come up with a few different designs. Some of them are straight flat, basically. This one has a little curvature to it. So what you do is you clean out this area with some alcohol, rubbing alcohol, let it dry up, wipe it down, and then once the area is dried up, you take this and just place it on there. It'll stick. I mean, you've seen my videos. I've gone up to 189 on my motorcycle while having my GoPro, and this thing didn't go anywhere. It's still pretty solid. So this is the casing you could get. This thing comes with the GoPro, which came with the GoPro. What I had to do is I had to drill a hole, if you can see, so I could run my mic through. So I could actually run my mic through this and connect the mic, because there's no hole there. So I had to take a drill machine and kind of drill a hole in there. But now I think on Amazon you can buy this casing with this section cut out, so you don't have to, it doesn't look messy or whatever. Look at this, doesn't look right. So you take this basically, then these mounts, they come in, they kind of detach, you kind of screw them on there, and this is the part that goes into the, let me just close this up. Just put the GoPro in there, close it up, and this is how it looks like. So what you do is, now here's the wiring, which is running through the helmet from my visor. So you could just pop these things out. I know this helmet, which is a HJC or HJC, but the side padding here, that actually it does come out, and you just pop it out. I ran my wire right through it and into the helmet itself, right through the side. If you can see all my wiring is right here inside. It's not taped or anything, which I think I should, but my mic, which sits right here, I mean, here's the end of the mic where the mic is actually located. I have this little muff thing. I did order, it's like a wind reduction thing, where I ordered that on Amazon. There's like $2, but it really helps. $2, and it does cut down the wind noise quite a bit. And I just kind of tuck this in there. So what you do is you basically take this whole thing, I gotta clean this out, and plug it in. And I think the right way would be from this end. And now it's nice and secure. Adjust your GoPro, make sure it's nice and straight, and there you are. And what I do is with this extra the extra wiring that I have here, it's kind of, tangle it around, play around with it a little bit, make sure I get it to the point where, where did I have it? Oh, too much. So I just, you plug, remember the hole that I was telling you about, you have to drill. So that's how the mic is set up, basically. And you try to tighten it up as much as possible, so the wire doesn't wobbles or anything. But this is how my GoPro is set up for my motovlogs. But if you guys have any questions, it's a Sony mic. You do need a little adapter. It's not one of those adapters that I was talking about with the new GoPros. It's called MOVO GMA 100 3.5 millimeter female microphone. I don't know what that female stands, but anyways, it says female microphone. There's got to be a good reason why they call it that. So I had to get one of those tiny adapters, which is this thing right here. If you can see, So it goes into the GoPro all the way out here, and then you plug in your mic, which is right here, this little mic cable. So that's how the mic looks like. So if you go order it, don't be fooled by this little stand thing, because this little stand thing is just there, you know, if you were using this mic for your computer or something. But yeah, I mean, I think it did come with the stand. I kind of tossed it away because I don't need it. I should not have done that, but oh well. I would, if I was you, I would just keep it just in case if you ever need it for anything else. But it's a great mic to have, and there's another picture of it. And this is it. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. If you get a chance, subscribe, hit the like button if you liked the video. I hope you did. That was my demonstration. In case you're wondering, I'm wearing a different shirt because it is a different day. But I wanted to do this because I wanted to thank somebody. I wanted to thank Omar for giving me a major shout out. He lives in PA, just starting his new channel. He apparently has the same motorcycle as I do. It's black and yellow, which I was planning to get in the beginning, but I couldn't find that color, so he managed to get it. But do check out his channel. I'm gonna leave the link in the B-roll at the very end where it says subscribe. You'll see his channel too. So if you guys are watching this, subscribe, share, and like the video. Alright guys, be safe. Peace.